Okay, in lesson 4, what we're going to do is we're going to use AutoCAD. We're going to do a little review exercise where we end up reviewing everything we've done. We're going to touch on all of these different commands that you've learned so far. So I'm not going to read them off now. As we go through, I'll flip back and forth and we'll go through. So let's get started with AutoCAD. And what we're going to do first is we're going to go up. We're going to go, I have a window open, but you can go File, New. And so here I'm just going to go in. The first thing we're going to do is go to Units. And I'm going to set that to Architectural. I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to go to Limits. It'll start going right into my command line, but if not, we can click on it. I'm going to 00 is OK, so I'm going to hit Return. But I want to specify a different upper right-hand corner, so I'm going to go up to 40 feet dash 0 inches, comma 30 feet dash 0 inches, and hit Return. And just to check it again, if I go Limits, it should be 00, and now it's going to be 40-30. So that's all right. The next thing I'm going to do is zoom. I'm going to type All, and now I've got my window ready to go, so to speak. All right. So the next set of commands we're going to do is we're going to get to work on the snapping. All right. Snapping is what we lock onto. I want to make sure that the O-snap, my snapping to object, is off, and I'll allow ortho on and off depending on how I use it with the Shift key. And I want to have my snapping increment set and snapping turned on. So let's go do that. We're going to go over here. We're going to go type in O-snap. Since neither of these two boxes are checked, it's off. You can also check because down here the O-snap is off. I'm going to type snap, and I want to specify every 6 inches. So I'm just going to put 0 feet dash 6 inches. I'm going to type snap one more time. It is 0 feet 6 inches, and I'm going to go on. So I'm snapping every 6 inches. I'm going to put the grid. I want to put that on 6 inches. So that's going to be 0 feet dash 6 inches. And just to make sure, I'll hit grid again. It is 0 feet 6 inches, and I'm going to type on. We can also see the grid here, and this is showing that I am snapping to an increment. All right. So I basically have done that, and so now I'm ready to draw. What I want to do is every time that I go through and do a horizontal line, I want to actually want to use the ortho, and the same is true for a vertical line. So I'm going to go in here. I'm going to start with my letter S. I'm going to make everything be let's see, about this big. So I'm going to go hit line. I already have it, and I want to hit the Shift key. And when I do, it only locks into horizontal or vertical. I'm going to go over to the S, and I come down halfway. Click over to the end, go down, click over, and up. And the whole time I'm clicking the Shift key, and it only allows me to go in horizontal or vertical lines. Now I'm going to hit Enter to end the command, but I'm going to hit Enter one more time, and that's going to replay the line command. So I'm just going to come up, I'm going to go to T, I'm going to go 2 units past, and now I'm going to hit Enter, and I can go back to the T, and come on down. Okay. I can hit Escape. I should have probably gone one more unit just to make it even, but I didn't. So now I'm going to go over and do my E. Again, I'm going to hit Enter again to start the line command. We'll start over 2. I'm going to go down and over. I'm going to hit Enter twice. And I'm going to keep on going. All right, let me just pause for a little bit, and then we'll come back. And all right, so once you're done, and I want to make sure that you're using the Shift key to turn ortho on and off for horizontal and vertical lines, we're going to draw some other figures. So you can look at the goals for this lesson, and when you're done, I'll show you what it'll look like. So you can just pause for now.